Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI. I was searching for a tornado shelter sign that would be easy to read and easy to apply. So I was really pleased when I found this adhesive vinyl sign from Accuform. Not only is it durable because it's made from vinyl, its adhesive is on the back, so it's easy to apply to any surface. But even more than that, it's bilingual, which was really important to me. Now, I use this on a tornado shelter and we use it for trade shows, which means I don't use the adhesive back. I actually use double-sided tape or magnets to apply it to the surface. And I've been using this again and again, and it has really stood up well to this usage. Because it's thin enough, I'm able to roll it up and store it in my suitcase and travel well with it. So this sign has exactly fit the purpose that I was hoping for. It's a tornado shelter sign that is easy and clear to read from a distance. It's easy to use and apply. It's very durable and it's also bilingual. So it's everything I needed it to be, and I'm very pleased with it. And that is my point of view.